A financial emergency will hit every household within the next 5 years. Here's how to survive it without going into debt. Calculate the exact shortfall. Panic is worse without a number. Identify, how much do I need and by when? Separate urgent, rent, utilities, car, from non-urgent, credit card payment. Sell something immediately. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, electronics. Contact every creditor and explain. Most offer hardship deferrals. Check if any subscriptions or services can be paused, not canceled. 211.org connects to local food, rent, utility assistance. LIHEAP, federal heating/cooling assistance for low income. Hospital charity care. Most hospitals have programs, but never advertise them. Emergency fund. 3 to 6 months expenses in a separate account. 6-month bill pay. Knowing you could survive 6 months unemployed equals financial peace. Insurance audit. Make sure health, car, and disability coverage are adequate. Download my emergency fund tracker at https://fundbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.